Oh, the wind is really blowing. Where's this wind coming from? Hope ain't no tornado. Oh, the wind is definitely blowing outside. Damn, the wind is really blowing really hard out here. Where's the wind? The wind is really blowing hard out here. Oh my God, the wind is really blowing. Leaves are blowing around. It could be a thunderstorm. It could be anything. Oh my God. Oh man, the air is like, dogs are like, what the hell's going on? Wind's really blowing. What the fuck is going on out here? There's the I'm gonna go over there and get it because that's our what do you call it? Air conditioner cover. I don't want that thing getting blown away. I better go get it. That's our air conditioner cover. Oh damn! Rocks are killer. Damn, fucking stuff is right hard on your fucking feet. Ouch! That's our air conditioner cover. Storm chaser. The wind's really blowing out here. Man. You know what I'm doing? This is fucked up, man. Oh wow. Looks like a Monster Energy can. Fucking wind blowing. Shit. My foot's hurt. Oh, here. That wind is really blowing out here. That's settle down, Lily. Stay away from the door. Ugh.
What is up, fam? Welcome to another adventure with your boy Omar.
The wind's still blowing out here. My dog is going crazy. Wind's still blowing. It could be anything. It's starting to rain, I think. I think it's starting to pour. Good thing it just cover's still holding on. The wind tried to blow it off, but it was clearly it was not going to get blown off in this wind. Kind of windy out here. All of a sudden it got all windy. I started recording with my camcorder and everything. It's starting to rain. I don't know where the storm's coming from, but there's clearly a storm coming. I'm filming it right now. I love this kind of stuff. Recently I had to grab that air conditioner cover that came off of our air conditioner. My hands are starting to get cold. Shit. Dogs are like looking at me like, what the hell is he doing out there? Yeah, starting to build up. I thought it was going to be like a tornado or something. Good thing I got this on tape. About 6 minutes of it. I'm not running no Traxxas T-Max tonight. The weather's getting chilly. Just started building up wind speed for some strange reason. Oh man. The wind is still blowing. It's still blowing like crazy. The wind is still blowing. It is still blowing. Grass is growing. Get the grass cut. Wind is really blowing outside. What's in the trash can? Nothing but garbage. There's our couch. Our recliner looks like crap. The wind is still blowing. Well, I'm heading inside now. I'm done recording for a while.
I'm not sure. Yeah, these were their rooms.
They would just come out here and they thought that's what would help their